There's a reason so many people turn to aloe vera gel to soothe a painful sunburn. The plant is known for its ability to reduce inflammation and irritation, fight bacteria, and deeply moisturize parched skin. Aloe vera consists of triangular leaves that contain 3 layers, with the innermost layer containing 99% water and an abundance of beneficial nutrients. That's why you'll find tons of creams, capsules, soaps, and sprays, enriched with either the gel or the pulp of the plant. But scientific studies on the benefits of aloe vera are mixed. Because aloe contains so many different properties, it's hard to focus on each one specifically. Since most dermatologists agree that the aloe vera's properties are very promising, especially when applied topically as skincare. The following aloe vera uses are only as good as the product you buy. The higher the percentage of aloe vera in your bottle, the better. Of course, using your own plant-derived aloe vera will always reap the best results because you'll have the pure ingredient without anything else to get in the way. What's the best way to use aloe vera to its full potential? Stay right here. We'll be covering the aloe vera uses and benefits that are worth a try in this video. 1. Moisturize your skin. When you crack open an aloe vera leaf, you'll find a gel-like consistency that's made up of mostly water, as well as a wealth of beneficial nutrients for dry skin. This includes nourishing vitamin E and skin-brightening vitamin C, antioxidants that can strengthen and protect the skin's barrier. The result? A softer, smoother, and healthier-looking complexion. 2. Soothe the sunburn. Aloe vera has pain-relieving anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe a sunburn, which is why it's such a popular go-to remedy for when you spend too much time out under harsh rays. It contains sugars that play a role in collagen synthesis and contribute to wound healing. These sugars also help bind moisture to the skin, which helps treat the dryness that often comes with too much sun. 3. Fights acne. In addition to its antifungal and antibacterial compounds, aloe vera contains salicylic acid, an exfoliating ingredient that unclogs pores. Plus, it can help moisturize dry patches that result from harsh acne medications. While more research needs to be done to truly understand how aloe interacts with acne, it's a popular natural remedy that yields positive results for many people. 4. Remove your makeup. Because aloe vera is often gentle on the skin, moisturizing, and has a gel-like consistency, it could be a good natural option for removing makeup. Aloe is also a much kinder to the environment alternative to makeup wipes, which contain tiny microplastics that take centuries to break down. Simply squeeze a dollop of 100% aloe vera gel onto a cotton ball and swipe away the day for a simple and effective alternative to greasy oils. To be totally safe, make sure you do a patch test on your arm before applying to your face to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction to it. 5. Ease eczema and psoriasis. Aloe vera has been one of the most important plants used in folk medicine. It is traditionally used for wound healing, to relieve itching and swelling, as well as for its anti-inflammatory properties, meaning it may be helpful in easing skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. 6. Make a natural shaving cream. Because aloe vera is hydrating and has a slippery texture, it makes a great natural alternative to expensive shaving gels. For a nice close shave, you can use it on its own or combine it with other nourishing ingredients like vitamin E. 7. Exfoliate your skin. Exfoliation is a must if you want smooth, glowing skin. Aloe vera makes a great base for a DIY body scrub, since it contains salicylic acid to help gently slough away dead skin. For the scrub, simply mix half a cup of aloe with just enough brown sugar and oatmeal for extra moisture, or Himalayan salt to create a gritty texture. Then rub it on your elbows, heels, arms, or wherever else needs softening in the shower. 8. Use as a natural lubricant. Yes, aloe vera gel is safe to use as a natural lubricant. Just be sure to use an organic 100% aloe vera gel that doesn't contain any perfumes or additives to avoid potential irritation. 9. Relieve itchy bug bites. If you have a mosquito bite that just won't quit, turn to aloe vera. It can help soothe irritated skin, such as from bug bites, because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It can also help reduce redness in that area. While aloe can provide itch relief, Just note that it may take a few days. Consider using an ice cube or a cold, damp washcloth on itchy areas for quick relief. 10. Rinse your hair with it. Aloe vera also does wonders for your hair. You can use it to make a nourishing hair mask by simply applying aloe vera to your strands and letting it sit before showering. Another popular option is to use it to make a greasy hair solution. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to 1 cup of water and mix well. Rinse your hair with the solution after shampooing. Leave it on for a few minutes and rinse with cold water. The mixture will act as an astringent to reduce oil on the scalp. 11. Make an eyebrow gel. Aloe vera gel tends to harden when applied to hair, so consider using it as a DIY eyebrow gel. Just dip a clean mascara wand in some aloe vera gel and sweep it over stray brow hairs for serious stay-put power. Bonus, it's super easy to wash off at the end of the day. 12. Heal dry, cracked feet. Dry feet is a problem with most adults have to deal with dryness especially being an issue around the heels. Luckily, you don't need to splash out on an expensive solution for making dry, cracked feet feel baby soft. Just mix together half a cup of oatmeal, half a cup of cornmeal, 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and half a cup of unscented body lotion. Then rub the mixture all over your feet until they're well exfoliated. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 13. Help with cold sores. Dabbing on an aloe-containing cream could get that pesky lesion to go away faster due to its antiviral properties, some past research suggests. To treat a cold sore, apply aloe vera gel 3 times per day until the lesion has dried. Being a natural safe ingredient, it won't worsen the cold sore or create inflammation. Cold sores are highly contagious, so be sure to wash your hands before applying the aloe vera. 14. Treat acid reflux. Ever heard of GERD? It's a digestive disorder that can cause heartburn. While it can't get rid of the cause of GERD itself, aloe vera can potentially help calm the heartburn. According to a relatively recent study, drinking 1 to 3 ounces of aloe gel at mealtimes can reduce the severity of GERD. It can also help ease other digestion-related problems, mainly because it's low in toxins and therefore gentle on heartburn. 15. Use as a natural laxative. People who experience periodic constipation should see big benefits from using aloe vera juice as a natural laxative. The outer portion of the plant contains compounds, and these have a laxative effect. If you're trying aloe vera juice for the first time, you'll be better off starting with a small serving of around 1 cup of the juice. 16. Apply it to minor burns and wounds. In addition to antibacterial properties, aloe vera contains compounds that can reduce inflammation. The juice is also super hydrating, so it may help boost the skin's elasticity as it heals. One review of research found that aloe vera sped up the rate of healing for minor burn wounds by almost 9 days. 17. Maintain good oral health. Aloe vera juice has been shown to reduce plaque when used in the place of a mouthwash in multiple studies. It's also proven to fight cavities as effectively as leading toothpaste. Especially recommended for people with sensitive teeth due to the gentle nature of aloe latex, which contains anti-inflammatory properties. Finally, when applied topically, aloe vera has been shown to reduce the size, discomfort, and inflammation of mouth ulcers. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 10 powerful healing benefits of eating aloe vera and how to prepare it. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.